The old factory on the edge of town was a relic, just like me, people whispered. After my business failed, every sunrise felt like a reminder of what I'd lost. One evening, a scruffy stray I'd started leaving food for, a dog I called Rusty, began barking frantically at the factory door. He wouldn't stop. Annoyed at first, I followed him, and then I smelled it. Gas. A major leak. The fire department said the whole block could have gone up. That night, holding Rusty, I realized something. I'd been so focused on my own collapsed world, I hadn't seen the chances to build something new, even if it was just a small act of kindness. Saving Rusty had in turn saved us all. Maybe this week, the smallest kindness you show could be the start of something heroic.